Dumela moithuti wa Setswana. Are you a primary school student and you want to pass your exams with flying colors? Then this lesson is for you. We are going to share the PSLE revision tips and tricks for paper 1. So firstly, I'm going to give you the tips and tricks. Then we are going to do a few questions that are normally asked in paper 1 of Setswana. Let's start. Question 1 to 15. Potso ya ntlha go ya go ya 15. And the instruction for this question. Read the passage below and answer the questions. This is how it's normally asked in Setswana. Bala potso e latelang o bo o araba dipotso. So let's get to the tips and tricks of how to tackle this section. Here is what you should do. Read the first sentence of each paragraph to get what the passage is about. Bala seele sa ntlha sa temana nngwe le nngwe go tshwara se palo e yang go bua ka sone. This is very important because it will help you to get to know what the passage is going to talk about before you can even read it. The second thing that you should do is to read every question before reading the whole passage. Bala potso nngwe le nngwe pele. The third thing, now read the passage slowly and attentively to understand it. Jaanong bala palo yotlhe ka kelotlhoko go e tlhaloganya. This is very important. Make sure that you take your time. Normally, students, they sleep when they are trying to read the passage. But try your best to make sure that you read each passage. This passage is normally 1.5 pages. So you should make sure that before this exam, you sleep early. So that when you are trying to read the passage during the exam, you do not sleep. Or if the exam is written in the afternoon, make sure that you get enough rest before writing this exam. Let's continue. After reading the whole passage and understanding it, the next thing to do is to read the questions carefully before answering. Bala dipotso ka kelotlhoko pele o araba. Then the last thing you should do is make sure that before answering each question, refer back to the passage. Pele o araba potso, boela kwa palong go batla karabo. Don't just rush to answer every question. Make sure that you refer to the passage. But also keep in mind that time is also a factor while in the exam. So those are the tips and the tricks that you can use in your PSLE exams, whether it's the end of term exams, mid-year exams, mock exams, end of year exams, or the final PSLE exams. Good luck. Now let's get to the questions that are normally asked in this paper 1 of Setswana. Ditaelo, instructions. Araba dipotso tsotlhe mo selekanyong sa metsotso e le 30. Answer every question in a time of less than 1 hour 30 minutes. Tlhopha karabo e le nngwe mo go tseo di filweng. Choose one answer from every question. Dipotso, questions. Mo potsong 1 to 4, in question 1 to 4, tlhopha lefoko le le tsamaelana le o le filweng. Choose the word that matches the word that you have been given. Sekai, example. Lefoko kgetsi le tsamaelana le, the word pocket goes along with. So this one is more like you are choosing synonyms. It's about synonyms. So A, pata. Pata is a pocket, which means it's correct. B, jase. Jase is a jacket. C, sekhwama. Sekhwama is a wallet. D, kobo. Kobo is a blanket. So the answer here is A. So like we said, make sure that you eliminate the wrong answer. So this one is wrong. Jase is wrong. Sekhwama is wrong. Kobo is wrong. So like they say, which is good. This was just an instruction, so we chose the right answer. So the next word that we are going to do is midi. Midi is corn. So camelo is wrong. Camelo means bucket. Let's get to the next page. Madi means money, so it's wrong. Mabele means sorghum, so it's also wrong. Mopo means maize, so this is the correct answer. Ke yone karabo e siameng ye. Number 2, monang. Monang is mosquito. So we are looking for synonyms in Setswana for the word monang, which is mosquito. Monzana. This is good. This is the right answer. But before answering, let's eliminate the wrong answers. Tiri. No, this is wrong. Kopi is a cup. It's wrong. Katse is a cat. It's wrong. So the right answer is A. Monzana. It's a synonym for the word monang. Number 3, poisane. Poisane in Setswana is a bucket. So we are looking for synonyms for the word poisane in Setswana. So let's start with A. A. Molopita. No, this is wrong. B. Sebagabiki. No, Sebagabiki is a tin. C. Likuka. I don't know what this means, so it's wrong. D. Emere. Good. The answer is D. Let's continue. Question 4. Maribelo. So maribelo is the front of a house. So we are looking for a synonym for this word. Matudi. This also means the front of a house, so it's good. Let's look for the wrong ones. Pinagare. No, pinagare means the thing that holds the house. So this one is wrong. Sukumela bagwe is a window. Setloa means something that is used at the top of a Setswana hat, so it's wrong. So it means the answer is matudi. We are getting into the next section. Modieleng 5 to 7. Yo, guys, I'm trying to shoot and a fly keeps interrupting me. He doesn't want to get out of the house. Yo, no wonder they call it a house fly. Anyway, let's continue. Modieleng 5 to 7. In sentences 5 to 7, tlhopha sele se go dirisitsweng matshwao mokwalo le ditlhaka tse dikgolo sentle. Choose a sentences where quotation marks and capital letters are used correctly. The fly is back. I'll be back. Yo, 2 minutes later, the fly is gone. Let's continue. Question 5. Une awa atsoga. So they use the full stop in the middle of a sentence. So this is wrong. Une awa, comma, atsoga. This is good. Unawa. So this is a question mark. This is not a question. Unawa. No, we don't use an exclamation mark here. So the correct answer is B. Oh, sorry guys. So this one, unawa atsoga. It means he or she fell, he or she got up. Question 6. Ijo umpiditse ka thupa. Ijo is more like an exclamation. Oh, he or she has beaten me with a stick. So there is no exclamation mark, so this is wrong. Ijo, a question mark, so automatically this disqualifies the answer. Ijo umpiditse ka thupa. This one is good. Ijo umpiditse ka thupa. They use the comma after ijo, so this is wrong. So the correct answer is C. Let's continue. Question 7. A o rata nama kana morogo? Do you love meat or a vegetable, indigenous vegetable? So they use the question mark correctly here. A o rata nama kana morogo? They use the full stop. This is a sentence. This is a question, so they use the question mark. So this one is wrong. A o rata nama kana morogo? Exclamation mark. No, this one is wrong. So the correct answer is A. Let's get to the next questions. Mo dipotsong 8 to 10, in questions 8 to 10, tlhopha paka e kgwaretsweng sentle. Choose the correct tense. So number 8, paka e tlang. Paka e tlang means future tense. How do we see paka e tlang? Through words like tla. or tlabo. So this is how you see it. So let's start. Magapu a bola. The watermelons are getting rotten. So this is wrong. We should see tla or tlabo. Magapu a ne a bola. The watermelons got rotten. No. Magapu, guys, do you see the fly? Yo, magapu a tla bola. So this is good. You can see tla, which is good. Magapu a body. No, this one is wrong. So the correct answer is magapu a tla bola. The watermelons will get rotten. So tla is will. Next question. Paka e fetileng. Past the tense. This one we see with the logokedi ne, sorry, it's ne, meaning was. Mosetsana o na roka. A girl was sewing. So this is good. Mosetsana o rokile. No, this one is wrong. The girl has sewn. Mosetsana o tla roka. The girl will sew. No. Mosetsana o a roka. The girl is sewing. No. So paka e fetile means past tense. So mosetsana o na roka. The girl was sewing. This one is correct. So that's the correct answer. Let's continue. Question 10. The last question for today. Pakapiti. Pakapiti means past continuous tense. So we normally see it with le, with ile. That's how we see it. It just shows that the work has been done in the past, but it's continuous. Baithuti ba bala dibuka. The students are reading books. So this one is wrong. Baithuti ba tla bala dibuka. The students will read books. No. Baithuti ba ne ba bala dibuka. The students were reading books. No. Baithuti ba badile dibuka. You see, the students read books. This one is correct because ile, like I said. So the correct answer is D. So that will be our last question for the day. We have come to the end of our lesson of part 1, PSLE revision tips and tricks for paper 1. If you like this video, remember to hit the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and comment with any question that you might have regarding PSLE Setswana revision. Also, go and follow my account on TikTok. You can also follow my Facebook account. Until we meet in the next lesson, Kusiani.